Hello you guys. Well, so welcome back to another video where today I'm showing you guys my 2012 hess truck. Yup. Just get it in there. Yeah, so yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool truck. I'll show you its features later if the batteries work. Let's see if they do. Oh, yep, it does. I'll show you the features first. That's one of the features that it does. This one does another one. The rotor spins too. Yeah, it's pretty freaking cool. But yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. Here's one side of it. Here's the other side of it. Back. The front. Top. And here's the bottom. That's pretty much it. I'm just kidding. I gotta show you guys the SUV next. So if you wanna know how this opens, you gotta press these two buttons. Oh, one, if you do press one button, it works. I just press both, just, yeah. And if you do that, out comes the SUV. Shit, it doesn't work. Let's check. Nope, I don't see any light bulb in it. I'm turning on a signal of light bulbs. So. Oh, the helicopter works, so that's fine. I'll put the helicopter aside for now. So this is the SUV. I believe I already showed you guys the 2001 helicopter. Yeah, I believe that's what the remake of this one is. 2001 helicopter 2 comes with also, basically meaning also comes with a SUV. More the SUV was more boxy, and it also came. And 2001 also came with a motorcycle. This one comes with no motorcycle. Just the oh shit. Just the SUV. Ah. Oh, my hands suck. Anyways, here's one side of it. Here's the other side of it. Back. Front. The top. The bottom. Shit. Fuck, doesn't work. That's why this was left on. Shit. But anyways, see, it's a pretty cool toy. Yeah, 2012 kind of did a very good job. Good job, 2012 hess makers. Good job, hess makers. You did a good job on 2012. My favorite one was 2002. 2002 hess truck makers, you did freaking awesome. It was awesome. And yeah, it was probably like the oldest looking carrier, like aircraft carrier. I'm just gonna put it back. There we go. I don't know what the inside of it looks like. I'll try to show you guys real quick. It actually lights up inside. Oh, cool. This actually does light up inside, which is pretty freaking awesome. Oh, there we go. This one is a little bit harder to like get the wheels up. Hold on, guys. There we go. So then you gotta put them down like that. It's kind of just like the helicopter with the, the airplane in my last video. But yeah. This one's got to put a finger on. If you push this one down, it's a fucking process. Come on, man. Gotta kind of take it like that and pinch it. It's hard to do it with the camera with the phone in my hand. So. Please tell me that's an airplane. Because there was a tornado that was like close to our house, so. Yup. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a notification for some more videos to my channel. I'll see you next video. Okay.